We have now gotten to the point where we want to plot the data. And previously we have plotted the whole data frame and inserted the whole data frame as an argument to the plot function. And we had this matrix of scatter plots. But what if we want to plot only one of the variables? Let's write this properly. For example, the price. Then we can get the price here, and we have the index here. As we are working with cross-sectional data, the entries are not really sorted, so this does not make much sense. And we can also plot the data of square meters, and well, or by its own, it does not make much sense, as we do not have a, for example, time series here, so it's kind of sorted. But the benefit is when we actually make or have square meters on the x-axis, and we have, for example, price on the y-axis, then we can check whether or not there is a relationship between square meters and price, for example. And here, for small apartments, the price tends to be low. And for large apartments, the price tends to be a bit higher. Although there's not much data to go on here. But we can make this plot seem a lot better if we add some tweaking to it. So we can just use this again, but then we would like to have color, for example, red, and we could have the points could be, for example, number 19, and we can add a main to the plot, for example, price by square meters, and then we could add a y label on the y-axis, and that would be the price, and x label could be, for example, square meters. That's okay. And you see that there is a frame around our plot, so we could also have frame equals false if that is necessary. So here you have a, let's see, oops, that was not going to happen. Not able to actually move the, okay, so we go here and here. So here you have the plot. So when you expand it a lot, then the points here are not that large, but it looks a lot better already. So it has these labels, and it has a main, and it has better points here. And if you are not happy with the color, you can change the color. You can change the points. here. But if you're not happy with the color, you can actually, for example, go to Google and search hexadecimal color picker. And here you can, for example, choose the color that you would like, and you could just copy the hex code here, which is the hex code for this blue color here. You can also drag this around to get the color that you would like. So for example, we are brave and choose this color. And then we can, well, I'm just doing like this. Copy paste, not always a good idea, but we are lazy. And we have a hexadecimal color here. So here you'll see the hexadecimal color that we chose. So that's it for the plot function, and see you in the next video.